So if you don't know, this is going to be a bonfire little etch and sketch. If you came to the pickup, you should have your supplies with you. So we're going to be using this white piece of paper, our little crayons, a black crayon, and this little skewer right here. So I'm gonna, Yasmin, can you allow me to share my screen wherever you are, or Andy? I want to show y'all what the finished product is gonna look like before we start. If it don't look like this, it is okay though.
I can't just yet, and Yasmin stepped away. So once she gets back, she can enable it.
Okay. Well, it's okay. We don't need a preview. We can do it on our own. So first things first, you want to get your crayons. I know there's not much of a selection, so if you have more crayons, then that would probably be best. But get your crayons, open them, and then we're gonna color the entire page. There's no specific crayons that you have to use for it, but just color the entire page, get the corners, get everything. You can layer colors on top of each other. There's no right or wrong answer to do it. Just color the entire page.
So it can be multiple colors, like all four?
Yes, it can. Okay, for those of you that just entered, I'm gonna kind of re-explain the instructions. So if you came to the pickup today, to the supply pickup, you should have got a bag full of supplies. And with the supplies, we're gonna be using this piece of paper, the box of crayons that has all the crayons in it. And then we're gonna be using this black crayon and this skewer. So we're gonna start off by using the white paper and we're gonna color the entire thing. You can use all colors, you can use one color, you can layer the colors, but you wanna color the entire page. All of the corners, the center, everything. I think I can share my screen now, so I'm gonna show you guys what the end product is gonna look like, or what it should look like. So, this is what it's supposed to look like. So basically, what we're gonna do is whenever we color the entire page and have all of our colors layered, we're gonna be coloring it on top with the black crayon. And then after we color it on top with the black crayon, we're gonna be able to sketch out the actual bonfire design with this skewer. So right now we're just coloring our white piece of paper with all of the colors that we got at the crayon, with the crayon box. This is my pickup. I need your colors to be thick and layered, Will. I can see white. Oh, wow. Okay. Got a little 4x4 going on. Okay, all blue. I like that. Got a rainbow over there, Casey. Oh, I really like yours, Lainey. And that's really cute, Kate. Okay, Christopher. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. How's everyone's coloring looking?
Yeah, I think change that topic real quick.
Make sure you're coloring it deep. Only black. I know it's difficult. Yes, Will, actually. Okay. That's probably smart that you left all those white spaces. I kind of
myself.
I see.
So do you color on the other side black or what?
No, you just colored the side that you colored your crayon, the other colors on. You layering it on top of each other.
Oh, we're doing like the whole thing black.
Yeah.
Gotcha. I am almost finished with coloring the whole thing, and before I lay it on the black. The black.
Okay, so now we're about to start designing the bonfire. I'm gonna share my screen with y'all again, just so you can see what it should look like, or hopefully the end Cool. So this is what it's supposed to look like. As you can see, the person really layered the black on. So if you want to color your paper much, much darker, just so you can have the black layered like this, it probably will be better. And you don't have to etch out your bonfire to look exactly like this, but this is really cute. So if you want to mimic this, I can leave it on the screen for you, or you can be artistic and kind of improvise. I don't know, because the
I
instructions
just
said
made mine really
and
waxy.
yeah. Oh wow. What the heck? How did you do that?
Myra, yours looks so good.
How did y'all do that?
I don't know. Can you see?
So good.
Y'all really some artists.
I feel like this looks like a Hunger Games symbol, but you know, it'll do.
It turned out really good.
Thank you.
Okay, so it's almost 4:30 and I know this is about to end. So I'm about to show the QR code for those of y'all who's here for the QR code.